Welcome back to Meditation Tips. In today's video, we'll be exploring the fascinating world of mantra meditation, an ancient practice that harnesses the power of sound and vibration to bring balance and tranquility to the mind. So, get comfortable and join us as we dive into this transformative meditation technique that can elevate your mindfulness journey to new heights. What is mantra meditation? Mantra meditation is an ancient practice that involves repeating a word or phrase, called a mantra, to help focus the mind and tap into the natural vibrations of the universe. The word mantra comes from the Sanskrit words manas, meaning mind, and tra, meaning tool or instrument. Thus, a mantra is a tool to train and still the mind, ultimately leading to a deeper sense of inner peace and self-awareness. The science behind mantra meditation. Recent studies have shown that mantra meditation can have profound effects on the brain, including reduced stress, increased focus, and improved mental clarity. When we chant a mantra, the vibrations created by the sound waves can have a calming effect on our nervous system. These vibrations can also stimulate the release of endorphins, the body's natural feel-good hormones, promoting a sense of well-being. Choosing your mantra. There are thousands of mantras to choose from, each with its own unique meaning and purpose. Some common mantras include Om, So Hum, and Om Namah Shivaya. You can choose a mantra that resonates with you personally, or you can use a universal mantra. The key is to find a mantra that you connect with on an emotional level, as this will make your meditation practice more effective. How to practice mantra meditation. To begin your mantra meditation, find a comfortable seated position with your spine straight and your eyes gently closed. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Now, start repeating your chosen mantra silently or out loud. You can synchronize your mantra with your breath by chanting on the inhale and exhale, or simply repeat the mantra in a steady rhythm. As thoughts arise, gently acknowledge them and let them go, returning your focus to the mantra. Continue chanting for a designated period, such as 10 to 20 minutes. When you're ready to end your meditation, release the mantra and sit in silence for a few moments, allowing the vibrations to continue resonating within you. Benefits of mantra meditation. Regular practice of mantra meditation can offer numerous benefits, including reduced stress and anxiety, improved focus and concentration, enhanced emotional well-being, increased self-awareness, cultivation of inner peace and spiritual growth. By incorporating mantra meditation into your daily routine, you can tap into the transformative power of sound and vibration, leading to a more balanced, mindful, and fulfilling life. That's it for our exploration of mantra meditation. We hope you found this video insightful and inspiring. Don't forget to subscribe to Meditation Tips for more amazing content to support your meditation journey. We love hearing from you, so please leave a comment below to let us know what topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time on Meditation Tips.